Here we are, folks, the Strasburg Railroad. Nestled deep in Amish country in central PA. This is my first time at the Strasburg Railroad, even though I lived in Pennsylvania for 8 years. Matter of fact, until we made this trip, I had never even heard of it. As you can see here, there's several different experiences with several different price ranges. We got the open air, which is the cheapest, but in my opinion, I think it is the best. Here is a list of the different trains and the different departure times. There's 45-minute wait in between departure times, so there's a lot of different things you can do here. Little rides for the kids, and then you got this miniature steam train, actual working steam train is pretty cool. And also in between they have these live shows that are really neat.
You gotta get Denver Humperdinck! That's me! No. Just so you know, I'm Denver. And I'm gonna sing a song. Here we go. So, once I built a railroad, made it run, made it race against time. For you always share, because the sun shines to shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. You know, there's been stuff I've wanted to check. What's this? I think it might have hurt me. Oh, you think that's hurting? So do I.
Thought this playground for the kids was a really neat themed playground, but as you'll see here in a second, it's not just for children. They also have an escape room. I would really like to come try it. Let's take a quick look at the gift shop. They also have a pretty cool toy store as well. The time has come. Our train is arriving. We are soon going to board and be on our way. What's unique about this train is that it takes you from the station by hooking to the rear of the train and pulling backwards. And then once you get to the end of the line, it disconnects, and then the engine goes up to the front and pulls you back the other way. It's pretty neat. I wasn't expecting it.
Train whistle. Rebecca wants the train whistle.
Along the route, there are a couple of different attractions where people are, and they're used to seeing the train come by, and they wave, and you wave back. It's pretty neat.
Is that llama real? It's a llama.
What I learned on this trip is that on one side of the train, there isn't a whole lot to see. Like on this side that we chose, on the first is a lot of corn, and the best scenery is on the other side, and we sit on that side on the way back. So stay tuned for that. This Amish man is having a real hard time with his horse. I think he got spooked by the train.
Yeah, that horse ain't happy.
Joan and
Now you're going to see what I mean about the other side of the train being a lot more scenic. So I'm not going to do a whole lot more talking in this video. Just sit back and enjoy it.
They have a car kind of like that over there that's an escape room.
oh, really?
See like that. Is that close to your reaching?
Nope, in the middle. My favorite.
the train ride and the experience were very much worth it. I would definitely recommend it, and we'll probably do it again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.